welcome to the 7 Commercial Lending Insights by Commercial Trainers. Today we are going to go over how to make serious income in commercial lending by following the top producers' basics. And the first basic step you want to take is don't waste your time on international deals. Over the last 10 plus years of doing commercial lending, I haven't seen any international deals funded. And I have friends and mentors that have been doing commercial lending for over 30 years, and none of them have ever funded international deals. It's just not likely to happen, folks. And why waste your time on international deals when there's tons of local deals right in your backyard that you can do? And then number 2 is do not do construction loans in today's market. And in today's economy, it's really tough to get a construction loan done. Not to say that it can't be done. Maybe it's a dentist office or a doctor's office, where it makes sense. But for the most part, and I definitely know this in Northern California, that we have so many like office buildings and strip malls that have gaps of space. And so there's really not a lot of need after the boom to do a lot of construction loans. And investors and banks are just not looking to do any. So unless it really makes sense, just kind of stay out of that arena for now. And then do not co-broker. It's okay to get paid or receive a referral fee, but don't mix up the deal by throwing so many hands in the pot and having everybody kind of, want to work on the deal. And what ultimately happens is you'll broker it to a broker who will broker it to a broker who brokers it to a broker, and multiple things happen. The deal gets totally messed up. If the deal ever did get done, which it usually doesn't, there's so many people that want to get paid, and then there's squabbles over that. And on top of that is sometimes you broker it to a super broker who says they're a lender, but they're not, and next thing you know is the deal doesn't get done because they're just brokering it out again. And then next is do not take upfront fees. There's too many scammers out there taking large fees and not funding the deal. I've heard $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, even like on ridiculous deals I've heard up to $200,000, and that's people's money just going away, and you don't want to get a bad reputation by being a part of that. So just know that on a normal deal, when you do get that letter of interest from the lender, it's going to be like $3,500 to $5,000 that you're going to need for appraisal and feasibility study and stuff like that. But these large upfront fees are just bogus. Don't do them. And then next, do have a fee agreement in place to get paid. And another term for fee agreement is service agreement. And basically it's you make an agreement on contract that says, hey, Mr. Client, if I can find you a loan, you agree to pay me. Because if you don't have that in place, what ends up happening is that the lender will fund the deal and you won't get paid because there's no contract in place. There's no service agreement in place. So make sure to have a fee agreement in place. And we go over all this in the training and in depth and make sure that we give you the insights of our experience. And then make sure to have a lender that you know and trust. And that comes back to that co-broker thing, right? Is the person you're working with, are they a broker or are they a lender that's actually funding the deal? And so that's something you want to work with a reputable lender that you know will fund the deal. Whether it's an investor, whether it's a bank, whoever it is, make sure that you know who that lender is and do your due diligence. And then number 7, do your marketing on a consistent basis. And there's 2 marketings that you're going to market to. Market number 1 is your marketing for the clients, whatever your niche is, and we talk about how to do that. And then market number 2 is marketing for lenders, because you got to pretty much sell yourself to the lender as well, because they want to make sure that you are reputable, that you are able to put together a clean, low-risk package that they can take in and fund. They don't want to waste their time either. I hope these 7 insights have been helpful. To learn more about commercial lending and get some training, we have 4 ways that you can learn through commercialtrainers.com. And way number 1 is to go ahead and attend one of our 2-day live trainings in Sacramento, where we go over processing and underwriting and marketing and finding lenders and all that fun stuff in depth and detail, and you get to work hands-on. But if you don't want to come out here to Sacramento, you can go through our 9-week live teletraining class, where you have me and one of our other trainers to go ahead and take you through that step by step, and you get the same manual that we use in the live course, but it's over the phone from wherever you're at. And then we have a new way, which is instant access online training. And this is pretty much where we went ahead and recorded our live teletraining class, and we put it online so that you could access the full exclusive manual for commercial lending training, as well as our 9-week course. And you could listen to it in 1 day or 2 days or however long you want to take, or the whole year, or just segment by segment. You can kind of mix it around. So that's a new way to look at training and get it right now. And just go onto our website to get access to that. And then step 4 is, hey, if you don't want to invest anything right now, just take advantage of the free training that we have, which is a 45-minute do's and don'ts in commercial lending that I believe will save you thousands of dollars by not making the same mistakes I have and my mentors have throughout the time that we've been in commercial lending. I hope this has been helpful, and anytime you need something, just give us an email and we'll respond back to you, or give us a call, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. Other than that, have a great day. Bye-bye.